Okay, so the next video is on how to submit an assignment. So I logged on to Luna's account, so shout out to Luna. We're going to show you how to submit an assignment. So for week 1 tomorrow, starting tomorrow, we have our assignment, and our assignment is to read 2 stories. One story is right here, escape. And then you're going to be reading a poem. And the poem should be also underneath everything. The poem is over here. So you read the escape, and then there's a poem attached to it. So you're going to be comparing both of the stories that you read. Once you read the whole articles and the poem, you scroll down to your assignment. So once you scroll down, you click on the hyperlink, the blue letters, and it tells you what your assignment is. In the first assignment, in the next video, I will help you a little more as to what you're supposed to do, but this video is supposed to show you how to submit something. So, in this document, it has questions. It says, in the first 4 lines, what does the poet say there will always be? And they give you hints and everything. And the questions right here, however, you're going to notice that you can't type in this. So we're going to have to copy and paste all of this onto a Word document. Some of the assignments are easy where you could type right into them and submit it from there, but this one's not, so it's a little frustrated. So you start on question 4. You drag your mouse, and your parents are probably very familiar with copying and pasting. So you go up to about here. Once it's all blue, you're going to click on the right hand mouse, and you're going to click on copy. Once you copy, you're going to go to Word documents. Once you're on Word document, you're going to right click again, and you're going to press the button right here for paste. Once you press it, all of those questions are here. Now you're able to type in everything. So if the first question says, in the first 4 lines, what does the poet say there will always be? As always, boys and girls, what kind of answers do I want? Full, complete, 3rd grade answers. So if it says in the first 4 lines, what does the poet say there will always be? You would write, in the first 4 lines, the poet says there will always be blah, 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 and write your answer, period. Then as you could see, there's more to the question. What else does she say there will always be? After the first sentence, you write, she also mentions that there will always be blah, 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 period. You have a 3rd question. How could these lines be comforting to Diana? Comforting, if you don't know, you can ask, but comforting means how does it make that person feel? How do they feel? And you would write, these lines could be comforting to Diane because, and blah, 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 blah. You would write your answer. You have to type everything. Don't forget capitals and periods. Then again, you would go down to question number 2, read it, answer the questions right next to it. Again, you would write, and you just type your answers right next to it. But again, capitals and periods and full complete sentences. So once you copy and paste everything onto here, once you complete all your questions, you have to now submit. But you can't just submit from here. You have to save your document first. So you would go to the top where it says File. You click on File. You go to Save As, not Save, Save As. Once you save as, you go to computer and you find where you want to put it. I usually put it on my desktop because it's the easiest to find. So you click desktops and you save it however you want. If I were you, I would write week 1 assignment or week 1 homework. Week 1 homework. Then you press at the bottom, save. Once you save, you go back to your Powerschool, exit out. Now you're ready to hand it in. Press hand in. You don't have to write a message, or you can say, hey, Miss Almeida, I finished my assignment for week 1. You could do that, or you could just leave it blank. Now, don't submit or hand in anything without choosing a file. Choose a file. Remember where you saved it? Desktop. And then what did you save it under? Week 1 homework. And look, it's right there. So you would open it. And as you can see, it's loaded. And then you would press hand in. Once you press hand in, it would submit to me. I am not going to hand it in because this is not my, this is Luna's, and I don't want to submit something with, without doing it. So once you hand it in, you're going to see that this turns into a check mark, a green check mark, and then the hand in button is no longer there. Once that green check mark is there, that means you completed your assignment. That's it.